I'm Mark McKenzie with NSS Enterprises, and today we're going to take a look at our walk-behind scrubber, the Wrangler 2016. The Wrangler 2016 has a 20-inch scrub deck and holds 16 gallons of cleaning solution. There are 3 different Wrangler 2016 models. The Wrangler 2016 AE is a corded scrubber with a 75-foot cord. The Wrangler 2016 AB is a battery-powered pad assist scrubber. And the Wrangler 2016 DB is a battery-powered scrubber with a twist grip throttle control. The Wrangler 2016 has 2 scrub pressure settings, allowing you to choose between a more efficient floating head mode and a more effective lockdown mode, which is perfect for top scrubbing floor finish. The Wrangler 2016 features simple switches and levers to control the machine, and all of the controls are marked with easy to recognize icons. The drain hose is located at the front of the machine. This helps your staff drain the machine in tight areas without having to walk backwards towards the sink. The recovery tank lifts open to allow complete access to maintain the batteries. The Wrangler 2016 includes a wet pickup kit. The wand, 7-foot hose, and 15-inch squeegee tool let you use the Wrangler 2016 to vacuum hard-to-reach areas away from the machine. Finally, the Wrangler 2016 is built tough for everyday use. The heavy-duty steel frame and stainless steel hardware make this machine a valuable asset you can rely on year after year. So those are some of the highlights that make the Wrangler 2016 a great option for your cleaning program. I'm Mark McKenzie. Thanks for watching.